Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Hello, Jennifer. Hello, listener.
How are you today, Levent?
I'm great, Jennifer. And listener, how are you?
I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes. This is a very good topic. Very important.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes. And click the like button and please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so Levent, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
In this video, we will practice 150 simple and useful sentences. These sentences are perfect for A2 to B1 level learners. They're easy, clear, and you can use them every day. We will say the sentence, you repeat after us, then we'll say it again. You shadow our voice. The more you repeat, the more natural your English will sound. So, let's begin our practice together. It's okay if you don't understand everything. The more you listen, the more you will learn.
First one. I wake up early every morning. Now you repeat after me. I wake up early every morning.
I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I usually eat breakfast at home. I usually eat breakfast at home.
I always drink coffee before work. I always drink coffee before work.
I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus.
I walk to the office when the weather is nice. I walk to the office when the weather is nice.
I like to listen to music while walking. I like to listen to music while walking.
I study English every evening. I study English every evening.
I often watch TV after dinner. I often watch TV after dinner.
I go to bed at 10. I go to bed at 10.
Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please?
Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please?
I don't understand this word. I don't understand this word.
Can you explain it to me? Can you explain it to me?
Let's try again together. Let's try again together.
What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends?
I sometimes go shopping with my friends. I sometimes go shopping with my friends.
I often visit my family on Sundays. I often visit my family on Sundays.
We like to eat lunch together. We like to eat lunch together.
I usually play football in the park. I usually play football in the park.
Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books?
I often read before I sleep. I often read before I sleep.
My favorite book is very interesting. My favorite book is very interesting.
Do you watch movies in English? Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, I watch them with subtitles. Yes, I watch them with subtitles.
It's sunny and warm today. It's sunny and warm today.
Yesterday, it was very cold. Yesterday, it was very cold.
It sometimes rains in the afternoon. It sometimes rains in the afternoon.
The weather changes very quickly here. The weather changes very quickly here.
I forgot my umbrella at home. I forgot my umbrella at home.
I need to wear a jacket. I need to wear a jacket.
The sky looks very clear now. The sky looks very clear now.
It's going to rain later. It's going to rain later.
I like spring because of the flowers. I like spring because of the flowers.
Winter is my least favorite season. Winter is my least favorite season.
I'm hungry. Let's eat something. I'm hungry. Let's eat something.
Can we go to a restaurant? Can we go to a restaurant?
I'd like a chicken sandwich, please. I'd like a chicken sandwich, please.
I would like a glass of water. I would like a glass of water.
Do you want some coffee or tea? Do you want some coffee or tea?
This soup tastes really good. This soup tastes really good.
Can I have the check, please? Can I have the check?
Do you take cash or card? Do you take cash or card?
The food is delicious. The food is delicious.
Thank you for the meal. Thank you for the meal.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey. I'm from Turkey.
Which city do you live in? Which city do you live in?
I live in Istanbul. I live in Istanbul.
Do you like living there? Do you like living there?
Yes, it's a nice place. Yes, it's a nice place.
How long have you lived there? How long have you lived there?
I've lived here for 2 years. I've lived here for 2 years.
Have you ever been abroad? Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I've visited London once. Yes, I've visited London once.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
How do I get to the train station? How do I get to the train station?
Is it far from here? Is it far from here?
Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map?
How much is the ticket? How much is the ticket?
I'd like a return ticket, please. I'd like a return ticket, please.
Does this bus go to the city center? Does this bus go to the city center?
What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave?
The traffic is very heavy today. The traffic is very heavy today.
It takes 1 hour to get there. It takes 1 hour to get there.
I need to buy some clothes. I need to buy some clothes.
Can I try this shirt on? Can I try this shirt on?
Do you have this in a bigger size? Do you have this in a bigger size?
How much does this cost? How much does this cost?
It's too expensive for me. It's too expensive for me.
Do you have anything cheaper? Do you have anything cheaper?
This one looks really nice. This one looks really nice.
I like the color of this jacket. I like the color of this jacket.
I'll take it, please. I'll take it, please.
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late.
It won't happen again. It won't happen again.
Thank you very much for your help. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Happy to help. You're welcome. Happy to help.
I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it.
That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you.
I don't feel very well today. I don't feel very well today.
I think I need some rest. I think I need some rest.
Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself.
Get well soon. Get well soon.
I'm studying English to get better. I'm studying English to get better.
I try to learn new words every day. I try to learn new words every day.
I listen to English songs for practice. I listen to English songs for practice.
I sometimes write short stories in English. I sometimes write short stories in English.
Speaking is difficult, but I keep trying. Speaking is difficult, but I keep trying.
I want to sound more natural. I want to sound more natural.
I practice with my friends online. I practice with my friends online.
It's not easy, but it's fun. It's not easy, but it's fun.
Step by step, I'm improving. Step by step, I'm improving.
Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect.
I was reading when the phone rang. I was reading when the phone rang.
She was cooking while I was cleaning. She was cooking while I was cleaning.
They were talking loudly in the park. They were talking loudly in the park.
It was raining all day yesterday. It was raining all day yesterday.
I wasn't listening carefully. I wasn't listening carefully.
He was sleeping when I called. He was sleeping when I called.
We were waiting for the bus for an hour. We were waiting for the bus for an hour.
I was walking home when it started to rain. I was walking home when it started to rain.
She was studying when her friend arrived. She was studying when her friend arrived.
What were you doing last night? What were you doing last night?
If it rains, we will stay at home. If it rains, we will stay at home.
If I study hard, I will pass the exam. If I study hard, I will pass the exam.
If I have time, I will call you. If I have time, I will call you.
If you are busy, I can wait. If you are busy, I can wait.
If I were rich, I would travel the world. If I were rich, I would travel the world.
If I were you, I would try again. If I were you, I would try again.
If we leave now, we will be on time. If we leave now, we will be on time.
If she calls, tell her I'm not here. If she calls, tell her I'm not here.
If I had more money, I would buy a car. If I had more money, I would buy a car.
If I had studied, I would have passed the test. If I had studied, I would have passed the test.
I'm looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to meeting you.
It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you.
I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great day.
See you again soon. See you again soon.
Please keep in touch. Please keep in touch.
Let me know if you need help. Let me know if you need help.
I'll call you later. I'll call you later.
Talk to you tomorrow. Talk to you tomorrow.
Take care, my friend. Take care, my friend.
Goodbye for now. Goodbye for now.
Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please?
How do you spell that word? How do you spell that word?
What does this word mean? What does this word mean?
How do you pronounce this correctly? How do you pronounce this correctly?
Can you correct my sentence? Can you correct my sentence?
I often forget words when I speak. I often forget words when I speak.
Sometimes I feel nervous speaking English. Sometimes I feel nervous speaking English.
It's getting easier every day. It's getting easier every day.
I can understand more than before. I can understand more than before.
I will not give up learning. I will not give up learning.
Great job, listener. You practiced 150 useful English sentences with us today. The more you repeat it, the more confident and natural your English will become.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to English with Jennifer and Levent. Like this video and share it with your friends because this channel is made just for you.
Don't forget to leave a comment on which of them was your favorite or which one was a new one for you. We love reading your comments.
Keep practicing and keep learning. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.